Hello everyone, welcome to Panther School. And welcome you all to in the Salesforce CPQ training series. So, let me give you the brief intro about myself. I am Abhishek Mishra. I am Salesforce CPQ specialist, and here is my LinkedIn and Twitter handler. And you can connect me over there, and you can, if you have any queries, you can connect me, and you can ping me over there also. Okay, so today's agenda is means if you are talking about the Salesforce CPQ means is very important topics. You can say that, and according to the Salesforce CPQ consultant exam point of view also. So this topic is means a very important topic is there. So today's agenda is all about that. What is the price rule? How we can create the price rules, and what are the key fields we have in the price rules, and we will also perform this a small demo in the price rule also. Okay, so without wasting our more time, that we can go to the our next slide, that what is the price rule. Price rule is generally used to for that what to update a product prices in quote line and automate prices calculation also. So means, if what is the price rule is all about that, means in the quote line, what product you selected in the code configurator page, when you click on the save button, okay, then it all, you can see that it will create the quote line object. So what is the prices behind that? Okay, so what is there, or what is the prices, and all the things. So it is all about there also. So this is all price rules of that one. So price rule means there is some fields, we can either, it's a static field is there, or some variable, some means some of the things is there, means either it is a in this some in the code line or code objects, so we can update that field by either some static value, or some changes is there, some variable is calculated, and all the things. So this is the all about the price rule. Sales in this price rules also now, that this is the out of box functionality of the Salesforce CPQ. So means you can say that way also. So price rules allows admin to continuously update the value of any fields, not only the price in the code. You can also update in the some fields in the code line or code line configurator page, and code line groups also. So we can also update in lots of things from there also. So this is all about the price rules of that time. So means you can say that it will work as same like that, how you writing a trigger in the Salesforce also. So it's a same way. Okay, so and we also see that's uh, a multi-dimension quotation of also there is, means many more things is there. So at that time, how the dynamically prices is changing, how price is reflected on the quote line editor page. So you can imagine on that way also. Okay, so major things is also there. So price rule is also updated in the quote line configurator, quote line template. There is a object called quote template. You can also update of that one. So we can uh, do these things in the later of these sessions. How this is there, like product rule, how product rule is working is same way the price rule is also working of that one. Like you can say that how in the product rule, okay, if this condition will be satisfied, then we can perform some actions like alert rule, validation rule, selections rules. You can see various in the previous session also, that how it is working on this one. So this way is working. Price rule have something like that: price condition, scope, action part. This is the things, this is the major things we can, you can say that one in the price rule we have. And we can also means price rule also update means some of the conditions of that, well, some either in the static values or dynamic values, it will update it also. Okay, so how in the standard Salesforce CPQ process is there, that let's suppose that the workflow rules is working in the behind that. In the workflow rules, earlier days we have a field update is there. So same way we also do in the price rules also, means update the fields by using, we are doing some logic behind that, that we will perform that one. So we can use of that one also. In the price rule, we also use that lookup queries, lookup objects is also we can use in that one, in the price rules of that one. Okay, so lookup object is, you can say that either, okay, there is a combination of some of the objects like that, A, B's, all account opportunities. We can track of all the fields, suppose that, and we can use of that one. So we will create a separate object of that one, and we can store all of the data into the that field, and according to that we will perform some logic of behind that. So that is called as a lookup object, and we can perform the lookup of queries of that one. So you can say that one. Okay, what is the key consideration of that one, means key consideration, what is the major things of that one. If field values either a static value or a summary variable can be included in the logically in a quote or quote line fields using a price rule, means you can use either in the starting phase, that what is the key value of that one, so you can use of that one. Okay, what is the scope of that one, there is a scope either in the edit mode or save mode, what is the scope of the price rule is working. So you can is there that one. What is the event of that one, what is the on initialization or event, or what is that one, so it's there. So we also have a related object called a price condition, price action. We have a price action is all about that, what is the action part you need to doing on that way. So this is the price action of that. So we have some key fields is present there in the price rule. That is active. What is the active means is there. So active means is that okay, this price rule is active or not. So you can say that way. Calculation will is an event in which event it will be worked on that one. Condition meet is there, either means and or if you have a combination of and or a combination, then you can define with the custom. And uh, configurator event is all about that, what is the target of that, either in a quote line, product, or means any of the one. Scope is all about that, in which event during which rule is evaluated on calculator or configurator page. So your rule is running on either in the code line editor page or code line configurator page, in which scope it is working on. Order is all about that, what is the evaluation order of your price rule, either one, two, three phase. So while creating a product features and all things, so we can also define of that one. Lookup object, I already defined you that lookup object is we can store the stat, how we can create the custom metadata data in our Salesforce. So we can you can say in that way also that we can use as lookup object if, to perform some static and some query we can do on that way. We cannot using the SQL queries from here also. From here we are performing some logic behind it, or we can get the data, all the data according to that. If this condition will be satisfied, we will perform some action of that one. So we can use of that lookup object. Okay. uh, okay. uh, Evaluation scope and event is all about that, what is the scope of that, either in a configurator page or evaluation of that one. So you can is in the, when you clicking on the save button, then it will be your price will be run, or either in the when you are performing on the code line editor page, when you are updating the quantity or all the things, so at that time your price will be run. Okay, this is all about that one. So we have in the trigger, what we have a before and after event. We have in the before insert, after insert, we have a different things we have in there also. But same way, we in the price rules also we have on calculate, on initialization, before calculate, after calculate. We have a major things we have in the price rules also. So this is update. The price rule will run, but the data will be not committed in the after that. So when you are using the uncalculate method of all the things, okay. So we talk a lot. Now we will go to the demo part. How so first of things is all about that. How we can define from where. Firstly, we will go to the install package. So this is the prerequisite of that one. So how we can define the legacy calculator of all the things. Go to the configurator part. And now in the additional settings, install pack in the additional pricing and calculation part. So from here, you need to use legacy because we don't have any pricing calculation plugins until now. So we will using this one also, this one. If you can check this checkbox, so it will ask. So you can uncheck this checkbox because use legacy calculator is all about that now. If there is a legacy in your code calculator, so there is a sum of org. This is checked. So you uncheck this checkbox. So after that, it will be working as expected. So click on save. In your if your means the price rule is not working, but you can also check here that okay, this legacy calculator is checked or not. So you can uncheck this checkbox and click on save. Now go to the Salesforce CPQ application, and now I will search for the price rule. Here you can see this price rule is here already there. So I will click here the price rule. Currently in my org, there is no such active price rule is there. So I will create new price rule, click on new, and I will, okay, I will create new price rule is there. So I will give the naming of that price rule. So price rule is means you can also say that when you have performed to complex logic, complex rules, we can do there is multiple conditions of that one. So we can also define on that manner also. Account type discount. I will tell you that what is that. Suppose that account type is let's suppose that we have a requirement that when account type is so we have a requirement that if account type is active customer or channel partner or technology, means any of that one. So we can give the, according to that, we give the 10% discount, 15% discount to the particular product, means of that one. We give the discounts and all the things. So how we can achieve these things? So we will also write out some trigger of that one. So but Salesforce CPQ give you the features that that we have that price rule, so it will work also there also. Okay. So firstly we will create this thing. So I have a requirement. Let's suppose that I will show you that what is the requirement here. So I have a requirement. What is the requirement is that suppose that so when the account type is uh, when account type is direct customer, direct customer, then then we we will give 10% discount. Okay. And when we have account type of, when we have a account type is um, channel partner, then we can say that we will give the discount of channel partner, then we will give the discount of 15%. 15% of what the product they are selling. We don't care about the which bundle. We don't think we are dealing with that one. Okay. When we have a account type called as technology, printer, then we will give the 20%. So I hope you all guys clear. So we have a three conditions. Okay, based on that one, we will give the discounts of the particular customer. So everyone wants the discount of that one. So to achieve this thing, so how we can achieve this thing? So we will create a new price rule of that one to achieve this stuff for functionality and all the things. So how we can go to? So for this, as we so we will create a new price rule, account type discount. Okay, click on active, evolution order is calculator. Okay, condition is any, means yeah, yeah, any we can take right now. And calculate evolution is taken because we are checking on that calculation of that one. Okay, and this one is save only. Okay, and product, if you are specific, if you are using these things in a specific product of this price will be run on a specific product or bundle of that one. So you can also lookup queries is you can define the object API name here, lookup object. So we can already discuss in the earlier also. So you can think about the custom metadata, how we created in custom metadata. Same way you can also create in this thing. So currently we are not using any custom lookup object here. So directly hit on save. So our price rule is ready now. So what next? So next part is all about that. Now we will create a now you can see this, what is the all about that one. So I will tell you that one thing, that what is the evolution type we have. You can see this, what is the evolution type and evolution scope we have. So I will tell you that evolution type is all here. Now you can see this is a configurator and a calculator. So configurator is all about to see when you want the price rule will trigger when sales rep is a configuration on the product. So when the sales rep configuring the product, at the same time your price rule will run. So you can say check at the configurator page. Okay, if you want this price rule when user is adjusting the price on the quote line, when they are selecting on the quote line object, so at that time quote line editor page, so means hope you clear that. At that time you what you will select, you will select the calculator ones. Okay, and what is the calculation event? So we have a different events here on calculate and on initialization. We have a various ones. So what is the main difference, how we can think about that one also? So we have a various multiple click list. We have on initialization, on calculate, or before calculate, after calculate. So we will go through the one by one. In the on initialization, in the loading of the and initializing process, the Salesforce CPQ engine load the product and the option first. Okay, so when you adding the product, it will option product options in that one. At the same time, the lookup some relation is there, some formula fields, metadata is executed on that one. So in the same way your price will run. So you can choose the on initialization of that one. On calculate, on calculate is using when this value is chosen when the price rule is evaluated once the CPQ calculate quote prices. So on the when the quote prices is calculating, so at that time we are using the on calculate method. Before calculate means is all about that before of the evaluation of event of before calculate is using. After is always using that when the calculate method when you evaluate of the calculator of the calculates of that quote prices. So we can use of that one. Okay, now we will go to the our price action. There is a condition we have, price action, price condition and price action. So we need to create a field on quote object. So what we need to create? We need to create a one field on quote object to get the account type of that one. Okay, so for this one, account means account which values is there. So let me check here. The customer technology partner, and what is that? Customer direct and customer direct and customer. What is our requirement is that customer direct and channel partner. Okay, so we will do these things. Okay, now what is that? Go to the code. Okay, in the code we will create one field, account type, and this is a formula field, account type, account type, text here, click on next and visible to all, click on next and save. Okay, so our data is ready now. So we will go to the code now. Okay, I will open any code right now to see this value is populated correctly or not. I will take this time different code, and here. See, this value is coming now. Okay, so now our the field is ready now. Now I will go to the price condition. We will, what is the price condition? That is the entry criteria of that one. We will create multiple also, but I will take the one only. Quote. See, we already 3 or 4 objects we can take here. Fields is okay. I need to add the field also. Wait, sorry. Here price condition. What will happen in this field? Which field? Okay. Let me add the first lead. I will copy the API name and paste it there. And this field we have API name. I will copy and go to the price condition object. Price condition. In the price condition object, there is a field. The field name is field. In the field, we will add the API name of that one. Okay. Click on new and save here. Okay, so it's working now. Now we need to refresh this page and click create new price things also. Okay, now click on new. Object name is quote, field name is account type, tested variable we didn't create any tested variable. So because here we will put down the summary variable and all the things here. Operator not equal to null. Okay, I will put down this condition now. Okay, why I will put in here? Because the value is not blank, so I will check this condition here. Okay, click on save. Now it will come to the action part here. Okay, so I already guys I already update you that what is the value of this one is there. I already update you here. Okay, quote objects we have, or in this only objects we have tested object. This is called as tested object, and quote and fields we have. Tested variable is all about what is the, if we created a summary variable here, and tested and filter values is all if you are updating any filter values and all the things. So here it is. Okay, now I will go to the price action part. So what is the price action is a part is now, so it will describing of that which rules should we do and what value it will update on which field. So this is all about the price action part here. So price action is nothing but that what value you are updating and all the things. So this is a price action. So it will update your value and all the things. So let me wait for 1 minute. So I will give you I will take an example of this one. So I will go to the price action part. In this, what is the action now? So target object is quote line. Target field is all about the SBQQ discount. There is a field called in the quote line object called as discount. This is a field SBQQ discounts. Okay, I need to add this then again in the price action objects. So let me go to the quote line. In the quote line, I need to copy the discount field API name. SPQQ discount. So from here, my only thing is that discount I need to update here. Option discount, partner discount, or total discount. What from where it is discount? Let me check again. Then I need to check again. Wait a second. So from here, I will check the discount, add discount, partner discount, option discount. Yeah, this is the sorry. This is the field from I'm taking care with these things. Okay, I will copy these things and paste it. This let me check is no, no, the field is not present here. So I need to copy. I already copy and go to the this price action part. In the price action object, I will go to the called as target field. Okay, so in the target field, you will update the values API name of that because it will get the data from there also. Field. Okay, in this target field. Okay, in this target field, I will update the new value with this API name. Okay, this task done. Okay. So while creating a price action now, we also need to take care of this in some target object. What is the target? This is only objects we can define here. We cannot edit the objects here. And what is the field and all things. So in the quote line, I will add it. I already added here. So okay, I need to refresh again. So this is here you need to check the in the quote line. We have a field called discount. And what is the value now? You can also check at the rules here. Order is 10 only. Okay. So now what is the value? Either your value is a static value or source field somewhere it is a we also get this value from the API and all the things. If your value is updated from the somewhere some I guess some for this thing summary variables you created and you want that value is populated from that one, you also use that one. Okay, I guess if you want some formula you need to apply or you apply from the either some product some lookup queries lookup if you object it with the lookup objects selected from there, then you can use here also lookup queries and all the thing lookup fields. So I will go through the this part now. I will go to the I will create a with some formula because I already do these things. So case SPQQ. Wait a second, please. Copy R dot account comma. What is here? Customer direct. Then what is how many discount? 10% discount. So we will give the if it is this one. Okay, I will move here. So let me maximize this so you can easily visible to you guys also. Okay, so hope this is visible now properly. And you can also, I will also do these things. Okay, now what is discount? 0.10% discount. Okay, if it is what customer channel channel customer, then how many discount? we will give the 20% discount of this on this one. Okay, 20%. 20% means 0.2. Okay, 0.2. If it is what? If it is a technology partner, then how many discounts? We will give the 30% discount of this one. I guess 30% discount of 20% of 20%, 0.20, and here 0.15, 15%. So this is all about the requirement. If the account type is customer direct, then 10%. If account type is customer direct channel, then 15%. If account type is technology partner, then it is 20% discount we will give. Click on save. Okay, so now our product rule is ready. So we will test these things, how it is working and all the things. Okay, so to do things, we will go to the quote object and add the product here. I will check this for this account. What is the account type? Account type is customer direct. So for this one, it will give the 10% discount of that one. So it here you can add any bundle, anything. So there is a no such, because we are dealing with the these things. Okay, I will add product. Laptop I will take now. Yes, so everything is good only. Click on save directly. Now you see additional discount 10% is automatically, we didn't do anything, so 10% is there. Click on save. Now you can see in the quote quote line objects, the quote line, we open these things in the object called discount. Somewhere is there, I guess. Discount. See, 10% discount is coming here. See, okay. So this way your product rule is running and all the things. So you can create a product rule in such a manner that you're defining all the things. Okay. So I already covered the price condition and price action part also, but let me recap all the things here. So price condition is that now from there we are checking that what is the from which condition your code is running, means in which entry criteria of that one. Either it is one or means it many, we can define this thing. So we can on the objects we already see the objects field, tested variable, tested formula fields, means we also see in the demo part also. So how it is working and all the things. So means this price condition is, you can think about the how we can create it in the while creating a product rule, we have an entry criteria is there. So from there we are doing some error condition is there. In the error condition we are defining the entry criteria of that one. So after that we are performing the in the price rule, what is the action of that one, in which, okay, so we have, if we have selection rule, what is that we can define in the action part. Same way in the price rule also, we also have a price action. So from there, if the price condition criteria is fulfilled, then we will go to the price action part. From there we will give some discounts, something else, we need to update some fields of that one. So we will perform that way also. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss that we can where we will use that lookup queries and lookup objects and all the things. So because you see in the price rule, so you see that here there is a field called lookup object, how it is working, and I will show you that one also, how this is working and what is the use of this field is all about. So we will discuss in the next lecture, and so thanks you all to joining this session, and hope you learn. Okay.